Most chiropractors think burnout comes from adjusting too much, being bent over that table for too many hours. It doesn't. The adjusting is the fun part of what we do. The burnout comes from doing all the other stuff. It's the phones, billing, messages, hiring, scheduling, marketing, problem solving. When doctors become technicians and managers and administrators, it's not sustainable, it's not fun. Your nervous system functions best when responsibilities, other systems are all organized. Well, your practice works the same way. When the doctor does doctor work and the team handles operations, everything gets better.